Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing another vegan meal. This is gonna be Dhal, which is a pastry vegan meal. So let's get into it. I have my yeast here and let's get gonna start off first with flour. I'm not gonna measure mine because I have an idea of how much. Let's say that's about a cup and I think so. And I'm gonna add some salt, about half a teaspoon of salt, oil, a bit more, and then the yeast. Look at that. Mix it all up together. And it needs some more flour. It might need some more flour. Make sure you leave some flour for toasting the surface when you're gonna roll out the dough. In a minute, I will take it out of the bowl and put it on the counter to roll it out just to get a smoother texture. Counter is clean. I'm gonna keep kneading it into itself about 2-3 minutes. And I'm gonna cover it and let it rise for about an hour. I'm gonna tie it up in the meantime. I have my piece here soaking for the last, I'm gonna say 15 minutes, but it's not as big as I would like it to be. So I'm just gonna leave them for extra 15 minutes and then start cooking them. I want these to be finished cooking and maybe cooling by the time the dough has risen. So I'll come back to you guys in the next 15 minutes. I already did some onion, garlic. I have my seasoning here. So I'll see you guys in the next 15 minutes. Cooking. Just have some water here. And the longer you soak the peas for is the easier it's gonna be for them to get soft and cook. I'm gonna rinse this off and then add them to the pot. We're gonna let that cook. This is how the dough is doing in the meantime. Look at that. The peas are cooked, so now I'm gonna add in the curry, the Japanese curry. It's my last piece. Gonna mix it in really well. I don't have curry. I think I should have curry, but this is a curry dish. But we make this work. We will make this work. I'm gonna add salt. And I have some seasoning here. Just gonna add some to it. Just extra flavor. And I know this is a hot curry mix, but I need some hot sauce in this, honestly. Lay that amount will do. Mix it all in. Look at that. Look at that beauty. And I'm gonna add some water and let it cook completely. I'm gonna add some ketchup. I'm going to wipe down the counter. I'm just going to fry it off and add some flour to it so that the dough doesn't stick to it. I'm just going to keep popping until it has a little more water basically. I'm gonna make circles. I normally make like big dal puri, um, so like everybody could have like four each. But I think I wanna make mini ones. Yeah, so I'm using this cup circle to cut out. Let me see, like this, and I'm just gonna roll them out a bit further. Let me get a plate. I'm just gonna do the same thing over and over again until I get all of the dough into circles. Here they are, and I have 21 of them. I just flour them so that they won't stick on each other. Let's go. I'm gonna get some oil to help to seal it. There's so many ways that you can seal this. But ooh, is it the first one? 20 to go. Some oil. In the meantime, I'm gonna heat up the pan and get them ready. Beauty. I forgot to let you guys know like what heat and for how long I cook these for. So I put them on medium for about 1 to 2 minutes. It cooks really well because the dough is rolled out pretty thin and the peas inside is already cooked. So once the dough is let me give you an example. Once it is like this, you just turn it around to the other side. Anything like this would work. It's also according to your preference. If you like it to be a more lighter brown, then yeah. We're down to our last 5, I think. No, we're not. There's room for one more. Try not to overstuff these because they will burst at the seams when you put them in the pan. I'm now just doing a new method. I'm just pinching them. So let's go over to the frying pan. Yeah, there you go. Last one is in, we're going to tidy up. And they're already ready to be turned over. You can, give me a second. You can make a sauce to go with it. I would say they would probably go with a barbecue with or some sort of sweet chili sauce, the best, in my opinion. However, I'm not going to be making any sauce today. Put you guys back. I most likely don't make sauces with these Dhal freeze. I'm just going to turn those around. Ooh, water. Continue. So let me know if you guys would like to see more vegetarian recipes from me. Because I would love to. I actually have some peas that I just did all the rest of the peas and left some for another time so I can do something else with it. Easy cleanup. So I put some like this. Oh no, guys. I didn't use any. Oh my god, I was so concentrated on doing it, I didn't use any. I'm gonna put some in the fridge for next time. I forgot. You guys are probably like during the video, what is the onion and garlic gonna be added in? I completely forgot about that. But it is still delicious. Alright, let's take some of these out. it. Of course, I gotta show you guys how the inside is looking. I know that just needs to cook for a little bit more. But after that, we're gonna be tasting these. Because why not? Definitely too small. Just what I just said. And then the last one, it's a little burnt, but alright, turn the stove up. And I'm gonna open one and show you guys. Give me a second. They're hot. These are how they're looking. Let's cut open one. Look at this, guys. Let's taste test it. I'm sweating because it's hot. As I said, this will be perfect for dipping in barbecue. It's kind of on a sweeter side sauce because they're so savory. Mmm, that appreciate. Mmm. When I was younger, growing up, I used to buy this a lot from my mostly Rastafarian sell them because they're vegetarian um, snacks, meals, always delicious. And now I get to make them for myself and my family. Truly delicious. Mmm, crunchy. Mmm. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know if you want more vegetarian cuisine, meals, snacks ideas, and I'll definitely be doing more of that if you guys are interested. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm gonna enjoy this while watching some NCIS. Bye.